In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Jotform. We're going to connect an appointment request form in Jotform to Google Sheets so your submissions flow into a spreadsheet automatically. I'll keep things simple and explain what each screen means so you know exactly why you're clicking what you're clicking. Start by opening your appointment request form in the Jotform form builder. You should see your form fields on the canvas. That confirms you're in the right place to make changes that affect the form's behavior behind the scenes. At the top of the builder, switch over to the Settings tab. Settings is where Jotform keeps controls for emails, conditions, and most importantly for this video, integrations. Inside Settings, look to the left panel and choose Integrations. This page lists services you can connect to, and it includes a search bar to find what you need quickly. In the Integration search bar, type Google Sheets. Take a moment to verify you're selecting the official Google Sheets integration with the recognizable icon, as that's the one that will create and update a spreadsheet for you. Click Google Sheets to open the setup window. Here, choose Create New Spreadsheet. That tells Jotform to generate a fresh file in your Google Drive with columns that match your form questions. If you already have a tracking sheet, note that you could connect to an existing one, but for this walkthrough, we're creating a brand new sheet for cleaner results. Click Next to proceed with the default field mapping. The defaults usually work well because they mirror your form labels, which keeps your data easy to scan later. When prompted, click Authenticate. A Google sign-in window will appear. Select the account where you want the spreadsheet to live, review the permissions, and allow access. This permission lets Jotform create the file and add rows whenever someone submits your form. You can always manage or revoke access from your Google account settings later. After Google confirms, the integration completes and Jotform creates the spreadsheet in your drive. You'll typically see a link to open it right away. From now on, each new submission becomes a row automatically. A quick tip: avoid renaming the column headers inside the sheet, since changing them can break the mapping. Renaming the file itself is fine, just keep the columns as they are. And that's it. You've connected your appointment request form to Google Sheets, turning every submission into structured, shareable data with no manual copy-paste.